Slapping a sticker on your shoulder to fix your metabolism sounds like something out of a low-budget sci-fi movie from the 90s. You see these little patches popping up everywhere lately. They promise a shortcut to appetite control and blood sugar balance. No pills, no needles. Sounds perfect. It sounds easy. It sounds like exactly what most of us want. But here's the thing about those little stickers. They are banking on you knowing just enough science to be dangerous. The big star of the show here is berberine. Now, berberine is actually incredible. It is a botanical alkaloid with a massive paper trail. We're talking about decades of legitimate clinical research. There are at least 37 randomized controlled trials proving it can help with insulin sensitivity. It helps with blood sugar management too. It is a powerhouse ingredient. Usually when you find a viral wellness product, the ingredients are fake. This time, the ingredient is the real deal. But the delivery method is a total ghost town. All that gold standard research focuses on oral supplements. We are talking about 900 to 1500 milligrams taken by mouth. That is a substantial amount of powder. When you move that compound to a skin patch, the physics of the human body get in the way. Your skin is designed to keep things out. Berberine has a chemical structure that makes it incredibly stubborn. It does not want to pass through the dermal layer. There are 0 peer-reviewed human trials showing that a patch can work. Not one trial shows it gets enough berberine in your bloodstream to do anything. The company behind these specific patches doesn't even tell you the dosage. You do not know how many milligrams are in each sticker. You are essentially flying blind. If you dig into the brand history, things get even weirder. This company describes itself as a kitchen tool brand on its About page. One minute they are selling dish brushes and cleaning supplies. The next minute they are selling high-tech metabolic patches. It feels like a viral marketing funnel. People who bought them are reporting that the patches are tiny. They are much smaller than they looked in the ads. Others say they peel off the moment you start moving. A few people mention a tiny boost in energy. Most people say they feel absolutely nothing. It is a classic case of science borrowing. A company takes a real, proven ingredient like berberine or moringa. They find a trendy, convenient format like a patch. Then they hope you won't notice something important. The science for the ingredient does not apply to the format. If you are actually interested in what berberine can do for your health, the path is already paved. You go the oral route. That is where the evidence lives. That is where the results are documented. This patch craze is just a clever way to sell convenience over efficacy. It is a shiny wrapper on a product that hasn't done its clinical homework. You deserve supplements that actually cross the finish line into your system. Don't let a clever sticker distract you from how biology actually works. Stick to what is proven. Leave the kitchen tool company to their dish brushes. I went down this rabbit hole so you could save your time. I wanted to save your money too. Metabolism is a complex fire to stoke. A tiny piece of tape is not going to be the magic spark you are looking for. It is better to rely on what we know works. Focus on the facts and keep your wellness routine grounded in reality.